Hey. Sorry to bother you. Okay, I remember you with, I forgot his name.
Weston Patrick?
Yeah. I was actually going to do it.
Oh, yeah, you're the guy from the taco place the other night. Yes, that's why you look familiar.
Yeah. I remember you now. But anyway, I was trying to get in touch with him because I didn't know if he wanted me to go ahead and do it or what. I know, looks like it was going over pretty good, but, I'm just going to see if he talks to him and ask him if he could call me, sometime this evening. I can speak through. I'm free this evening and for a while tomorrow.
Okay.
And I might take it out. I think I've been past stuff like this over his house, stuff hanging down.
Oh, yeah.
And, I'm going to take and elevate this stuff over here for him. I think it's around $250.
Okay.
You know, I was going to take care of it. So if you end up hollering at him.
Yeah, I'll see him when he gets home from work, so.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Give me,
Okay.
And just have him call me, tell him I'll come straight over and do it.
Okay.
And he can just pay me, whenever, tomorrow or whenever.
Okay, awesome. Sounds good.
Hey, what's your name again?
My name's Anne.
Anna.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, thanks, Angela.
No problem.
Tell me I did not wake that baby up.
Oh, no, no.
Okay. Hey, big arm. I went ahead and cut this one off that was going right towards their house too.
Oh, awesome. Awesome.
Look how beautiful.
Hi.
What's your name?
Sam Paloma. Yeah. Paloma.
Are you Indian?
Yeah. It's Choctaw for bow.
It's what?
Choctaw for bow.
Choctaw for bow.
Yeah. Oh man, that looks so much better. When I got into town the other day, I was like, good grief, they've got a whole canopy going on here. Yeah. Yes. See, I wish I could. Say bye-bye. Say thank you.